for you because I love you so much, but just because you look thinner than before. So can you count that how many single time I believe in you? I'm not believing you, Paul, but because you are the best teacher worldwide nowadays, teaching me about English, teaching me about accent, teaching me about state, United States, teaching me about any single type of phrase, and then, idioms, right? Answer my question.
I usually never take it personally. I never get offended by bullying. Most bullying, I never take care of them. I never give a care. Never give a weight about it. Just leave it be and forgive and forget. Very hatchet. Just make peace. Just make peace.
Yeah, we really sorry. We are
Truly,
Yeah.
you got very down to earth, right? Down to earth, doesn't care like what people say about you, but than before, but you're clever than before, right? All right, thank you, Mr. Pham and Eva.
Yeah,
I'm glad that when you got visiting here, I'm very happy when you got here, even though I have to learn any accent, any about it, I have learning about English. Thank you so much, Mr. Pham and Eva.
You're welcome.
All right, you question. All right, no more question, right?
she has patience.
Oh no. Udah gitu. Anak-anak rekam dong. Oh. Ya bro. Ya, 1 2 3. Alright, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm glad now today because just now we have to meet with the best teacher worldwide at the time, the master builder at the time to build this club, HPI English Club, 2016 at the time, November 25 at the time. His name is Kosar. I'm very appreciate, I'm very happy to meet him just now because the best teacher at the time. Alright, today I would like to discuss about, sharing my experience about how to to minimize about the bullying. At a time, the first now is started to the below for December 26 at a time. At a time I was in, in school, my friend called me, bully. Why? I have no idea why, because I got my hair, but blonde hair. Blonde hair, not red hair, yellow hair, exactly at that time. Every single day, every single time, every single week, I don't care about that with my friend. If I warn my friend at the time, my friend still calling me bully. I have no idea why. Bully, every single time. After now, it's just still suitable or for December 26 at the time, my friend still call me bully because bully masuk kampung at the time. When after tsunami. Yeah, just because 2005 at the time, stay in the United States, just because I know every single accent in the United States. North Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, East Virginia, Massachusetts, Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, every single state in the United States at the time. After that, talking about how to minimize the bullying, exactly I myself, I do not care about bullying exactly, until now, my friend always, to bullying me, why Esperanto, and then, speak like every morning when I'm burning there, like learning out and all that. But I don't care about that, because, I do love speak like learning accent, because not so many people can speak like learning accent. I myself almost 7 years spend my time to wasting my time to learn like learning accent. Can you imagine that? But exactly when my friend, are bullying me, I don't care about that because, for me, when my friend bullying me, I just, get a reward from my God Allah Ta'ala every single time. So I always remember my faith, and then to always remember my mind. I don't have to bullying every single people exactly. But truly, I always bully my friend, my best teacher worldwide, Mr. Pham and Nifa. I'm not being him, but I just, like that. You have to different like that. Deserve, right? Yeah, deserve like that. Because you know you look thinner than before. That's because you know every single time, every single meet with Mr. Fahmi, I always to collect always cigarette, and then I pick that's only one, and then every single piece, and then I give them with Fahmi. I'm not giving my poison. No, it's not talking about poison. I just give for the respect for the best teacher world right nowadays. That's it. So, but you know, somebody calling me, why you don't smoke? Why you not smoke? Are you a smoker? No, I'm not a smoker. But why do you pick every single pieces about the cigarette, and then why you give you for your teacher? You know, I've known that why I just respect him. You know, because every single meeting, he always teaching me about English. Not only English, but also history, but also people from United States, about accent, about anything about that. Just because I do respect for the best world right nowadays. That's my time. My speaking enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Any question? Yeah, question? No question, huh? Alright, don't be offended, okay? I'm not following you.
Mister, I have a question, Mister.
Yeah, keep going.
Have you ever met someone who kick you, maybe who punch you?
At the time, before now is sister, yeah. Yeah, at the time.
You have already fighting?
Yeah, I'm thinking back. Again and again. It is very funny time first Nami. I just to graduate in middle school, right? I don't have to educate just because at the time my friend calling me like that bully, but I don't care about that. When Nami slap my face, I slap him back. You know that my friend kick my button, but I kick him back. You know that button. You know that button. Yeah, button.
Your ass, huh?
Yeah, I kick my ass. Yeah, beat my back. You know that. So I don't care about that. So I remember myself. I'm gonna to little by little I'm gonna to learn myself. I don't to bully every single people. It's not good for humility, right? Humility, right? Yeah, humility for people. It's not good. Yeah, it's like mocking. Yeah, mocking. It's bullying, but again and again and again and again. It's not good. Bring when you got a friend here, can you see your friend? You got long hair, yes, yeah, long, every single day. You know what? So it's not good. Probably as human days nowadays. That's in my mind.
So it is okay to forgive that people just mock us, like saying our parents' name, or maybe saying us like our body, right? Body appearance.
Yeah.
Something like bully or
black and then black skin.
How
like
we can handle that person who maybe take a cam to insult us using social media, something like that, and
no, I think in my opinion it's not necessary. Yeah, but I have to warn that girl or that guy first. If that guy doesn't disobey me, my word, my word. So that's because I have to run it the hardly, not the softly. That's it.
So it is many people know that he menyebarkan his spread the bad news about us, something like that, and many people knows about it. It is looks like we open someone's eye, someone's bad side.
Bad side, yeah.
How we can handle it? How we can?
First we have to warn that guy first. Warn. Yeah. If this make me humiliating me, I will kick that ass. That's what I mean. Because that bullying make us embracing, right? Very totally embrace us, right? Yeah, embracing. A lot of people bullying, somebody suicide murderer, right? Yeah, just because bullying people, a lot of people worldwide nowadays suicide murderer, bunuh diri.
So bullying is suicide.
Suicide murderer.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Right, any question? Got question, please.
You think that a husband who bully wife is a good idea, or wife bully husband? Good idea or not? How to resolve that?
Yeah, exactly. Nowadays, we can see in your neighborhood, a lot of wife always bring husband, right? But not 100%ly
100%.
the husband bring the wife. I have no idea about that. Maybe the wife or the husband, you know what? Doesn't those people doesn't have, you know, like Islamic education.
Yeah. In the first,
Yeah.
in the first month, no bullying, but in the second month,
Yeah, 10 months.
10 months
Yeah.
after that, right?
Oh. First, babe. The last year, the second years, I'm going to there. I'm going to there. Yeah, this is true, right? Yeah. We hope we don't have to like that. Yeah. No. Kami trong chỗ này. Ôi, hitam. Ai mà gì hitam? Lên. Các lên. Nhom si kling nyom malam hidup lepas. Kem. Các lên. Masih flow hanu masih klingnya. Kling. Malam các kling. Kan malam các kling. Bro các kling, malam masih klingnya. Why? Không wrong các kling. Malam masih klingnya. Mau tonton kena. Alright. This is unique, right? Yeah. Alright, that's it. Thank you.
So,
Right, thank you for coming. And then they will mention and like this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Let's talk next topic, right?